Cindy here, physical therapist with Adaptive Equipment and Caregiving Corner. Today we are going to take a look at a product called the Step2Tub that was given to us for review by Biera Wellness Products. So if you find this video helpful, be sure to share it and like it on Facebook and Instagram, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and check us out at AECorner.com. As well, if you think this product may be helpful to you, check out the comment section below for a discount code. So let's get started. So this is the Step2Tub. This is an adjustable platform step which allows for improved safety when getting in and out of the bathtub. So as you notice, it has a large platform non-slip step which is approximately 11 inches deep by 14 inches wide. Now these are my measurements that I took of the step. The step height also adjusts in 1-inch increments from 8 inches to 10 inches. The handle height adjusts in 1/2 increments up to 32 inches, and it also has these nice padded grips on both sides. Now I took a measurement of the outside of the handles. That is approximately 19 1/4 inches. And then I also took a measurement of the outside of the base of this unit, which is approximately 17 1/2 inches. Now the Step2Tub has a maximum weight limit of 300 pounds. Now one of the most distinguishing factors about this Step2Tub is that it actually clamps to the tub for securing when you get in and get out. So here's one of the clamps for that as well. Now this product came nicely packaged. It was very easy to put together, and it was I didn't have to use any tools to do that. So let's take a look at how it works. So let's take a look at how we're going to attach the Step2Tub to the tub. So I've already installed the first clamp, and again you need to take note when you're installing, you can't get too far back here because of the curve of the tub. And then you're going to install the second one. This just goes on the tub like this. It's going to fit on most standard tubs. Now the only other thing that you're going to have to do is kind of match the width of where you're putting the clamps to where your Step2Tub is going to go. Okay, so this one's going to come this way just a little bit further. All right, and then I'm going to tighten this clamp down. All right, just a matter of turning this knob right here and getting that set. There we go on the tub. Then what you're going to do is take the Step2Tub. You're going to put this right over here and attach it to the attach points of the tub. So I'm going to demonstrate several ways that you can get into or step into the tub with the Step2Tub. So when you're stepping up on the step, you need to apply pressure on both sides with both hands. Okay, so if I get up onto the step like this, now what I'm going to do for the first one is turn sideways. Now notice you can turn sideways either way, whichever is your strongest side, either holding onto this bar or holding onto this bar. And then what I'm going to do is step over and then turn, make sure I have a hand grip here, and then come on in, okay? Again, when you're getting out, pressure with both hands. Now, I may have some people that would prefer to actually step backwards into the tub. That's fine. This is very sturdy. It's going to help assist because it has the handles here. So the other thing I might add is if you have a secure grab bar on the other side of the tub, you could possibly use that and go in forward. My only thing with that is the bar that I have in this shower, I wouldn't recommend. It needs to be a good sturdy grab bar if you're going in forward. Now as you can see, this unit is a little bit close to the toilet. That's going to depend on your bathroom setup. But the nice thing about the Step2Tub is it's easily removable. So what you do is you come right in here, take a hold of the tub attachments, give it a little lift, and what you can do is store that right in your bathtub. So that's the Step2Tub. We at Adaptive Equipment and Caregiving Corner think this is a great product for improving the safety and function for individuals when getting into and out of the tub. That's it for today from Adaptive Equipment and Caregiving Corner. Have a great day, and don't forget, if you can't do it, adapt it.